Yes, guys, this is it. This one is for weight loss and for get rid of your tummy, okay? 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, some cinnamon, and water. Let's show you how to make this beautiful cup of tea. Drink this on an empty stomach before you go to your bed. 1 cup of water, fresh tablespoon of grated ginger into the water, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can use cinnamon stick and give it a mix. Cook this for 10 minutes. Wow, so this is boiling. As you can see, this steam. So we're gonna pour it off. After 10 minutes, you need to do this and pour it off. Okay, guys? Nice one, and that's the way it look. So guys, you wanna drink this either in the morning on an empty stomach or just before you go to bed at night. Eat healthy is the best thing you could ever do, and drink this cinnamon tea with ginger at night. You don't need to add any honey to it or sweetener or sugar. Drink it naturally. For more tips, follow Chef Ricardo Cooking.